Boon or bane? That is the question whirling around AI these days. I understand the anxiety. The machine might decide that we are the problem and get rid of us. Nobody is obligated to welcome the prospect of being gotten rid of, though we should keep an open mind on whether or not we are the problem. Putting that aside, here I'm using Codex to generate a mesh with some cutouts in it. The mesh is then distorted by a shader and turned into ground fog and spooky attic webs. There's lots of little triangles in there, and the order of the triangles is important, and keeping track of them by hand, though perfectly feasible, is kind of a pain in the patootie. Now, we did do that back in the day, a few years ago. But a few decades ago, accountants were crunching numbers by hand. And then they discovered the spreadsheet. For some things, AI is no different than the spreadsheet. It helps enormously with very fussy little tasks. Now, the more you ask it to do, the more likely you are to get in a lot of trouble. I recognize that. I wouldn't be deploying a AI-generated app to production willy-nilly. But for this, it works.